Welcome to the Golden Lamb. This week we're making no-bake cookies without peanut butter. These are incredibly easy to make, so ingredients time. What you just saw was that non-sweetened cocoa powder, dark baking chocolate, oatmeal, granulated sugar, butter, kosher salt, milk, and then peppermint extract. So first thing first, take your quick oats, these are instant oats, put them in a big mixing bowl, add your unsweetened cocoa powder, and then what you're going to do is you're going to mix these together until they look like chocolate fruity pebbles, whatever those are called. Chocolate pebbles? That's what you want them to look like, right there. All right, grab a medium saucepan, add your butter, turn it on medium heat, and next add your granulated sugar, your kosher salt. I'm wearing a bunch of rings today. Cool rings though, cool rings. And add my milk. I got that ring in Victoria, BC, that bronze one with my wife when we got engaged, FYI. Okay, so I am now just gonna mix this with a whisk. And through the magic of video editing, I wish I could whisk this quickly. That would be amazing, but I sadly can't. My wife wishes I could whisk quicker, but I'm just a normal whisker. And then bring this to a medium boil. And this is time lapse, so this is actually happening a lot slower in real life. It takes about 3 or 4 minutes to get to that boiling consistency. That's the rolling boil you want. Add about half a tablespoon of your mint extract. Some people might think that's too much. I like my stuff minty. Be as liberal or conservative with the mint as you like. All right, we're gonna stir that again for about 30 seconds to a minute. Now we're gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna grab the unsweetened 90% pure baking chocolate. This is gonna help our recipe set. So stir that till it's melted. Again, you wanna make sure the heat is turned off at this point. You don't wanna overcook your mixture. So once that's stirred and looks gorgeous, take that off the burner, add the bowl with the oats back to it. Again, these are instant oats. These are quick oats. You don't want to use the whatever they're called. All right, now pour your chocolate mixture in there. You can see my t-shirt on my reflection there. And begin rolling the chocolate mixture into the oatmeal. And this is gonna take probably, maybe 2 to 3 minutes to really get good, to get nice and thick. I'm using the magic of video here to speed it up. But what's happening here is the oatmeal is soaking up that chocolate mixture. You want to give it time to do that. So once you're done stirring this, you want to actually set this aside for about 5 minutes. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm going crazy, guys. I'm going ham. I'm adding junior mints to this. Now I probably should have waited for this mixture to cool a little bit longer because I want those mints to retain their consistency. All right, here's the fun part. Grab a baking sheet and either put down wax paper or a silicone mat like this, and then using your ice cream scoop, you want to scoop out evenly sized little portions of cookies, right? And as a final step here, I'm going back with my ice cream scoop and I'm just pushing down on the top a little bit to flatten them out slightly. I like my cookies to be a little bit wider. Throw this in the fridge for about an hour to let them cool, and then here you go. Got these amazing, minty, chocolatey, no-bake cookies. Impress your friends, impress your enemies, impress anybody. You can do it. I believe in you.